there's smoke back here. Yeah, there's smoke back here.
So this is what we're driving in, yeah?
Yep, that's it.
That's the one. Got that blow-through air conditioning right here. It's perfect. It's gonna be great.
Do you have set up goggles or?
I should probably see if I got some sunglasses in my car, because bugs in the eye, glass in the eye, ash in the eye. Probably not a good idea.
All right, you want to do the honors?
Main?
Yep.
That one?
Yep.
All right.
Woo.
Well, this will be fun. This is gonna be great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah. Oh, we're moving.
If I said I wasn't nervous, I'd be lying through my teeth right now. I
Alrighty.
should let her warm up a little bit first.
Yeah, maybe. But hey, we got our fire extinguisher, so.
She's cold. Oh, look at this crispy steering wheel coming apart in my lap.
Oh, this is gonna be an experience.
Here we go.
Let me put safety glasses on.
That dude broke his neck to turn around and look back.
He's stopping, he's slowing down. He's slowing down. Hey, when you're driving in a burnt out car,
Hey, people look, man.
people look.
It gets attention. Bye, man. Love you.
Oh man. There's the shift.
Yeah, I can tell she's not highway friendly. It winds up these gears fast. Yeah. She got good brakes though. She stops.
Yeah.
So, yeah, there's smoke back here. Yeah, there's smoke back here.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get over here and pull off. We'll look. Let's pull over real quick and take a closer look.
Turn off main.
No, leave her running. I can't get out. I gotta hold the brakes.
Okay.
Hold on. Let them look. Let them
Okay.
look.
What is it?
I think Austin's weight in
What?
there is causing it to go over.
Oh man.
There's no air shocks. Remember it was air shocks?
Oh, so
It's like the tire is like. Can you see it? Like this.
so what you're saying is my fat butt is causing it to.
I never said nothing about that.
My extra weight is causing it to sag.
there you go.
There-
There you
okay,
go.
all right. We're all being nice today.
How much is it rubbing? Like
Well, when you was going, I mean, it was like he was doing a burnout. It was the whole way. It was
All right, I can get out. Woo! Only in Mexico.
I was 2-footing it, dude. I had
Really?
I had my foot on the brake and the gas.
Oh
then
man.
dumped the clutch.
Woo!
There's no brakes in the back, so you're holding the front end.
Oh man. It has power behind it. This thing's a ripper, dude.
Yeah, she is. Okay, one more time.
One
Ready?
more time.
That was no good.
That one ripped.
That was no good. We got too much grip on that.
We left him in the dust.
I'm telling you, man.
This thing, it's It's a beast.
When have you ever ridden in something this cool before?
Well, never.
Or should I say this high?
This hot?
This high.
Yeah. I'm not driving. No, I'll let Randy drive.
You're scared to drive?
He's about out of gas.
No.
We're gonna have to put gas in this thing for sure. I was really hoping for a more epic burnout.
Yeah.
I'm actually kind of disappointed in it.
Hey,
It's not running as good as it was, man. It's
Really?
yeah, it feels off. All right, go for it, Austin.
Ignition. Contact.
There she goes.
Yeah.
All right.
Clear on the rear. Yep. Oh, please don't be a cop. How's it going? Yeah.
What year is it?
55.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch. I seen you over there. I was like, oh, my. I gotta go chase him down. Fucking hey.
How's it going? Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, she burned to the ground, man, and we just got it running.
Yeah.
Put it back on the road. This car is great. I almost don't want to fix it, you know?
This car gets so many looks, it's crazy.
It's running out of fuel.
Oh, really?
Hear that tapping?
Oh, yep.
Yeah. Shit's great, dude.
Oh, yeah. It's really smooth.
Yeah.
If you don't mind me asking, what did we forget to hook back up?
Nothing.
Oh, but what is that you have in your hand? It looks yellow, like
Spaghetti.
it's yellow spaghetti spark plug wires. Oh, okay. So, but it was still a ripper. It was great. You guys.
On the naughty list?
Okay, I'm I'm walking away.
Here, let me get out of it. Here.
Oh,
There
okay.
you go. Go ahead.
All right. I was about to say, yeah, we kind of like our legs, don't we?
Hopefully it doesn't.
Alrighty. Oh. Sounds much smoother.
Wonder why.
I don't know why. Yellow spaghetti. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And we were only running on 7?
Through all that.
Through everything we just did to it, it's running on 7.
Yep.
Oh, she is a beast, though. I'm gonna say that this definitely does have a cam in it, right? I need to put a cam in that Ram Charger. Sounds like a lot of work, but I need one. There it is. It was going for a while too.
Oh, dude, all the way up there.
Oh.
Was me. First gear, you can see the skip right there.
Yeah.
That's when I shifted to second, and then it burned it up again in second gear.
Oh man.
All day long, dude. All day
Oh
long.
man.
Rip tires all day.
Dang. I love those pops.
I was looking for the key. I was like, oh.
Yeah,
What's a key? I don't know.
so what do you think?
I got her all the way up through the gears.
Yeah.
F-150 with the horse trailer probably scared the shit out of him.
Oh man, I love this car.
Man, the video off right here. Doing my little outro. How do you guys like this like collaboration videos and content and stuff like that? Let me know. Put it down in the comment section down below. But this thing is on 7 cylinders, it's a ripper. On 8 cylinders, it's a beast. So pulling out the Canadian accent there. But yeah, she's doing good. You're doing great. So, had way too much fun today. With all of that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.